Hello everyone, welcome to Maths by DV. Here given that if y equal to x minus x square, then we need to find dy square upon dx square. Yes, this is nothing but dy square upon dx square. We need to find dy square upon dx square. So for this question, I'm going to take u equal to y square and v equal to x square. So now dy square upon dx square is nothing but du upon dv, right? Du upon dv. So we need to find du upon dv. We can so here given that y equal to x minus x square, so here u equal to x minus x square whole square, right? And here v is x square only. Now we're going to differentiate u with respect to x. So du by dx is nothing but 2 times x minus x square into d by dx of x minus x square, which is nothing but 1 minus 2x, right? This is nothing but du by dx. And this term, differentiation of v with respect to x, which is dv by dx, which is nothing but 2x, right? Can I write? Wait a second, let me rearrange those terms. So we need to find this. So can I write du upon dv equal to du by dx upon dv by dx? Yes, we can, right? So we have a du by dx as a 2 times x minus x square into 1 minus 2x, and dv by dx is nothing but 2x. So from this 2 get cancel out. From numerator, taking x common from this 2 term, what we get? X common, 1 minus x into 1 minus 2x upon x. So x cancel out, we're left with 1 minus x into 1 minus 2x. So this is nothing but dy square upon dx square. Isn't it easy? Yes.